Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I will explain how to QoS with timer. Step by step. Number 1, make sure the time zone on the MikroTik matches the time we are using. You can see this by right-clicking on the session row, then selecting a time. And you can see here that the time zone on my MikroTik matches my current time. Don't worry for those whose MikroTik time zone doesn't match. We only need a configuration keylogg NTP on the router. This NTP is usually set by yourself or created manually, but to make it easier for you to use NTP on the internet network, we can search for Indonesian NTP servers. Next, just copy it on the ZeroID pool NTP, then paste the server that was copied previously using the following steps. Next, return to the Indonesian NTP server site to fill in the secondary NTP server on the MikroTik. Copy NTP server 1. Then the display on the primary and secondary NTP server will automatically change from the previous domain name to an IP address. Next, if it has been set, but the clock on the MikroTik has not changed according to the current clock, then what we have to do is set the clock with the following command. And you can see here that the MikroTik will automatically synchronize the time with the current time. Then here you can also see that the time on the Winbox will change to the current hour. Next, configure the bandwidth limit for clients during the day with the max bandwidth limit being 1 Mbps or 1 Mbps from 9 AM to 5 PM and days from Monday to Friday using the following command. Then do the same thing for night clients with different max limit bandwidth and hours. Then do the same thing for weekend clients with max limit bandwidth, different hours and days. Then verify the result of the simple queue configuration with QSimplePrint. Then if you look at the GUI table, the afternoon client is already running because it has entered the time zone rank for today's date. Next, do testing for weekend clients. To simulate this by changing the day or date. To see the date, we can click on the date in the taskbar on Windows. Next, change the date on the MikroTik in the date parameter from previously the 18 weekly day to the 21 weekend day. Then if you look add the simple queue table again, the active bandwidth rule will automatically move to client weekend because we have changed the date on the MikroTik. Then do a test for the evening client to simulate it by changing the clock on the MikroTik, for example, here at 10 p.m. Next, verify the simple queue table, then the active bandwidth rule will automatically move to client night because the time on the MikroTik has been changed manually. So much from me. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.